Welcome to TruGrid tutorial series. This video covers how to set up TruGrid BitLocker Management. Let's get started. First, let's review the requirements for setting up TruGrid BitLocker Management. To set up TruGrid for BitLocker, you will need the following. Windows computers with or without TPM chips. Preferably, Windows OS with Windows 10 or later, with the BitLocker feature. The Windows computers must have internet access for cloud management. These Windows computers do not need to be joined to Active Directory. TruGrid BitLocker Management requires no database or any complexity. A simple cloud agent is all that is needed to enable BitLocker and manage security keys. You are ready to evaluate TruGrid BitLocker Management if your environment meets these requirements. This tutorial and evaluation include the following 5 simple steps. In step 1, you will register for TruGrid. No credit card is required, and registration takes about 1 minute. Please use a business email address. In step 2, you will validate your domain ownership. Optionally, you can also connect your AD or Azure AD environment to add administrators to co-manage your TruGrid account. In step 3, you will enroll Windows devices by installing the TruGrid IoT agent on them. For large environments, the agent can be rolled out silently via command line or Active Directory and other software rollout tools. In step 4, you will remotely enable BitLocker on enrolled devices from the TruGrid dashboard, capture and manage BitLocker keys. Finally, in step 5, you will be able to run compliance reports that you can share with auditors or company management. If you are conducting an evaluation along with this tutorial, please pause this video and head over to TruGrid.com/start to register. Continue with this tutorial after you finish registration, and you are signed in to your TruGrid dashboard. Once you are signed in after registration, you have the option to integrate TruGrid into your Active Directory or Azure AD to support additional administrators. To manage licenses, use the subscription option on the menu on the top right corner. Let's proceed to TruGrid BitLocker Management Console without AD or Azure AD integration. At the console, you can enroll Windows devices by getting a link for the TruGrid IoT agent for self-enrollment, or a download for installation on Windows devices. The agent can also be silently installed if you need to enroll several devices. The enrollment file is unique to each company, and the version downloaded on this dashboard will enroll Windows devices only to this dashboard. For this tutorial, we will install TruGrid IoT agent on 3 Windows devices. The first will be a Windows 10 computer with TPM chip, the second will be a Windows 10 computer with no TPM chip, and the third will be a Windows 11 with TPM chip. Let's log into the first computer and install the agent. Let's verify that it has a TPM chip. Let's upload the TruGrid agent that we downloaded earlier and then install it. Let's open the Windows services to verify that the TruGrid IoT agent is running. Let's open the local BitLocker applet to view the state of BitLocker encryption. Next, let's install the TruGrid IoT agent on the second computer, a Windows 10 computer with no TPM chip. Let's confirm that this computer has no TPM chip. Now, let's install the TruGrid IoT agent. Let's open the local BitLocker applet to view the state of BitLocker encryption. Finally, let's install the TruGrid IoT agent on the third computer, a Windows 11 computer with TPM chip. Let's open the local BitLocker applet to view the state of BitLocker encryption. Next, let's arrange all three computers before heading over to the TruGrid dashboard to remotely enable BitLocker and automatically retrieve and manage the keys. Refresh the dashboard to reveal enrolled Windows computers. The current view, the Devices tab, shows pertinent information about enrolled devices. The Encryption tab is where you can enable BitLocker and manage keys. This tab also shows the TPM and encryption status of enrolled computers. Let's go ahead and remotely enable BitLocker encryption from the TruGrid dashboard. For the Windows 10 computer with no TPM chip, TruGrid allows administrators to specify a passcode that end users can provide during Windows pre-boot. This passcode is a security measure used to protect Windows computers with no TPM chips. With BitLocker now enabled on all three enrolled computers, let's navigate over to the computers to witness the BitLocker action that we enabled remotely. Let's reboot the Windows 10 computer with no TPM chip to demonstrate how end users will access an encrypted computer with no TPM chip. At this point, only the passcode specified by the administrator will allow Windows to boot. An incorrect passcode will not work. BitLocker encryption will continue where it left off before restart. Let's go over to TruGrid dashboard to view encryption status and keys. Click the detail icon next to each computer to view the encryption key. Finally, click the Devices tab to view compliance report. Visit TruGrid.com/start at any time to start your free trial. No credit card required.